Before the video begins, I would just like to say, if you enjoy our content, you should like and subscribe. Alright, that's it. Enjoy the video. Alright, buddy. We're gonna do a little, you're gonna teach us about nature, okay? So, first item. Sit down. Sit. Buddy. Alright, buddy. Can you tell me what this thing is? Hey. Talking to you. Can you tell me what this is? Interesting. What this? You want to get some more stuff? Okay. Set that to the side. What this? Yes, this is a food. You want to try it? Here you go. Try it. Here, look. Go ahead. Look, it's food. Look. It's good. Alright. How about that? What? Alright, how about that? You want to at least try it? What do you think? No? Alright, buddy. I know you know what this is. Look. What is this, buddy? What are you looking at? Alright, buddy, that's cool and all, but, you gotta tell us about the rest of these. Okay, I'll give you a minute. How about this, buddy? Hey. How about that? Wanna try it out? Okay. Alrighty then. Sorry. That. What's this, buddy? Pee on those. What do you think that is, buddy? I don't even know what that is. I don't blame you, buddy. What about this, buddy? What is this? Interesting. Bet you don't know what this is, buddy. Smell it. Smell it. Buddy, I can see your eyes moving. Buddy. Buddy. So you are alive. Alright, buddy. What is this? You know what this is? Buddy. Sorry. We only got a couple more left to do. What's that? What is this? Hey, what is this? You like that? Alright, buddy. Second to last one. What's this? Alright, buddy. Last one. What is this? Smell it? You can even taste it if you want. What do you think that is?